we are going to be doing the final APK dated April 23rd through 24th and 4/29 and 4/30. All right, so it's the one that's labeled Q1 3. All right, so our first problem is 523 times 54. All right, using standard algorithm, I'm just going to multiply. 4 times 3 is 12, carry my 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 4 times 5 is 20. I'm moving over a place value, so I'm going to put a placeholder in. 5 times 3 is 15, carry my 1. Oh, I'm going to cross that one off so I don't re-add it. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11, carry my 1 again. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1 is 26. Adding everything together, I've got 2 here. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry my 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. And 2. 28,242. 28,242. Next is find the quotient. 672 divided by 12. All right, so knowing my 12's facts, I know that 12 will go into 60 5 times. 5 times 12 is, or 67, excuse me. 5 times 12 is 60. I'm going to subtract and get 67 minus 60. Got a 7 here. 7 is less than 12, but I do have another number to drop down. I'll bring down that 2. 12 will go into 72 6 times. 6 times 12 is 72. 0 is my remainder. My answer should be 56. Always check your work. 56 times 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry my 1. I've got 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. All right, then I've got 1 times 6 is 6. Put a placeholder there. And 1 times 5 is 5. Add it all up, and my answer is 672, which matches right there. So I know my answer of 56 is correct. All right, find the sum. I'm glad that these digits are already lined up. So we've got 24 and 75 hundredths plus 12 and 45 hundredths. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry my 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 4 is 12, bring my 1 decimal. 1 plus 4 is 5, 6, 7, and 2 plus 1 is 3. 37 and 20 hundredths. Find the difference. Again, my place values must be lined up. 7 minus 4 is 3, 6 minus 5 is 1, 2 minus 0 is 2, and then 1 minus 1 is nothing, 0. So my answer would be 2 and 13 hundredths. Use less than, greater than, or equal to. 12 and 56 hundredths is blank than 125 and 6 tenths, much less than. 74 and 3 tenths is blank than 7 43 hundredths. That would be greater than. All right, simplify each fraction. So 4/8. What does that simplify to? Think, what is the greatest number I can divide into both the numerator and denominator? I know that 4 will divide into 4 and will also go into 8. So 4, if I just divide by 4 here, I'd get 1. And then 8 divided by 4 would be 2. My answer would be 1/2. 5/20, same thing. What can I divide into both of those numbers? Besides 1, of course. I could divide by 5 and get 1/4. Solve using the expression use, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. 32 divided by 4 plus 3. So parentheses first. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Bring everything else down. I have no exponents. I have no multiplication to do. I have no division. The only operation I have left is addition. 8 plus 3 is 11. What division problem does this model represent? This is a little faded out here, so I kind of drew the line in here. I have 24 in total. I am dividing it into 3 sections here. So I've got 1, 2, 3. And that would be 8. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. What is 43 and 78 hundredths in word form? I just said it out loud. 43 and, that decimal is an and, 78 hundredths. Make sure you add that TH at the end. All right, and our final problems. Find the product. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 9 is 81. 7 times 8, we got 56. 42. 4 times 8, I'm running out of room. 32. We got 42 here, 49, and 63. All right, that is the Monday section. Hope you enjoyed.